Hi everyone, welcome to our opening chapter. As two Brits who made the move to Canada a few years ago, we decided to take some time out and travel after the hard work and commitment that comes with moving and settling into a new country.
We are looking forward to sharing with you our new life on the road, including our experiences and adventures as well as the ups and downs that come with this nomadic lifestyle.
Our journey began from Kamloops, BC, and we're heading north towards Jasper National Park.
So the quick stop off in Clearwater, BC ended up being longer than expected. We contacted the local water store, who luckily ordered the part in for the next morning. So we made the most of that evening and explored the local sites.
The next morning, I set off on my journey to the auto store to collect our new part whilst Billy removed the broken one. Needless to say, the trail was a tad steeper than I anticipated.
As soon as the part was fitted, we were back on the road.
Shout out to Tom for the delicious granola bars that he made us for the trip. We woke up to the beautiful weather, feeling excited and optimistic about our day ahead. But then, GP struck again.
This time, there was no quick fix, so hire cars were going to be our saviour.